Welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to show the actual implementation and running the Python script that was generated from ChatGPT in order to automate the creation of videos on YouTube for training topics. All right, so if you remember from the previous video, we have this script that was generated from ChatGPT, and this is the canvas. And here, so on the left, we can see what was actually the explanation from ChatGPT about the generation of the script. And at some point, it started to add features by kind of removing the previous code. So it kind of lost code, and at some point, the script couldn't compile anymore. So I have to go back a bit. We go back to the place where, well, let's go back quite early actually, probably around here. And what happened is that I just wanted to have it, so is this uploading to, no, it's not uploading automatically, but probably this can do the job. And this one is the video, so it's generating images, and then it's using the Ken Burns effect to create a video from a series of images. Okay, this one is the actual script that I have used. So I've basically just copy pasted to Visual Studio Code. And what happened first is that there was an error if I tried to run it. So I already did that, but I can try again just to show you how I did it. So this is a Python notebook, and trying to run this. So I have my base environment. I don't really worry about the other, like the virtual environments. Just use this one. And we've got this no module name moviepi.editor, and right. So you can see on the right that I use the copilot feature of VS Code to basically try to fix this issue. And obviously this sounds like a missing model, right? From looking at this. But whatever I tried didn't work. So so what happened is that I realized that basically this moviepi.editor doesn't exist. There's nothing we can do with that. So I just have to import from moviepi, and that's it basically. So and then it should use the functions directly from moviepi. But where I found that, well, that's not here actually, but that's what I found out. So I basically wrote again this generate images. Sorry, was the generate script. Basically, I need to generate the script. So I basically found a way to call the right function here. I don't know what I'm talking about. Not here. Sorry. Okay, let's go back to. I was talking about this. Again, it's moviepi, and this is for the generator of images. Where after that, yes, this one. Okay, image clip. So it's creating an image clip, the text clip, and then a composite video clip and stuff like that. So we've got functions that are assumed to belong to the movie pi model, like this concatenate video clips, I think also. But right, the issues that it really didn't work. So well, what I did is just try to change this. So it couldn't compile basically because of the model issue. So this is, you can see here, it doesn't find here. But if you do like this, then now it works. Okay. So now I run this and we have yet other errors, and this one is saying there's no choices, so this request probably is not correct. But the thing is, so the AI key was not set properly. And you can see that you're supposed to write your API key directly within the Python script, but I don't want to do that. I basically asked ChatGPT to change code so that it's loaded from an external file so that I don't have to show this on my screen. So now we've got the API key read from a file, which I did. I'm supposed to save as a, so here it's this one, but I'm going to save as a, so now it also doesn't want to, for some reason, doesn't want to create NumPy files for some reason. I don't really know why. All right. Now we've got the thing is, if I try to run this, does it work? I think it should work. I mean, it should be able to generate a script first. That's one thing. And right now it's going to the audio, so I guess something's happening. Also, all right. So what happened is that yes, right. Okay. So I installed this VoiceVox, and I'm going to open it, and I expect that it's going to then like run the server, and this will be picked up by this basically, right? So I'm assuming that here is generating the script, so we can have a look at this. Yes, this was just generated. Okay. So we've got the description. It's in Japanese, but it basically explains about the topic. So it's a good example of a script for. So how many sentences? Like well, it's like 4 paragraphs, but very short. And the video is supposed to simply be about the script. And now I think it's generating the audio. So MP3 file. All right, we've got an error. But this one, so you can see it's from the image clip, and that is, there's no saturation. That's one of the things that I also try to. Right, so this one I try to solve. You can see on the right with Copilot. The error occurs because the image clip class does not directly support the saturation method. So I propose something else. And I then use that new code. Then again we have another error. So no attribute fx because it looks like it's reading. I was using this attribute fx, but actually it turns out that it generates an error, and then it again, so it changed the code, and every time it kind of changed the code. We get some again, so I've got another error again, and then I asked to change code, and then again, but basically, so every time I have an error, every time something is wrong. So the bottom line is that I still don't have a code that works after trying many times. The last one is this one, and I think that is that no, well, this one no. But the one that I was using previously is not even this one. No, because I decided not to use this one. I think this one was even worse than the other ones. It basically moved back to using the moviePy.editor, and so really very problematic. Okay, so what we can say is currently the video is a bit difficult to obtain, and we're stuck at the stage where we are producing the voice So here's the voice. It was generated just 3 minutes ago. So I can. Okay, so that is AI generated script from voiceovers. So this is apparently the current voice by default. Right. So I'm not sure how to change the voice. I guess that first this one does it work? Because all right. So okay, that's for Japanese voice. Nice to know. So I have to write something in Japanese. Oops. I have to choose the right. Okay. Right. So let's try with this, and it's probably going to work better. Okay, and so apparently we may be able to change the speed, the height of the voice, the so this one is the kind of the expressiveness. So it looks more like human-like, animated, something like that. This one is more like probably taking more time to pronounce, even though it's still quick. There's a lot of options, quite interesting actually, to see the different effects. This one is nice. Okay, so the problem is well, I don't know if it's a problem, but right, so he's going to wait. How can I change basically the character, because they have several characters, and I like to see how I can use another one, but I have to check. I have to check how I can completely change the character. So not this, but for instance, kind of male voice. But anyway, you can see that it works, and I have this voice and images. Probably when was this generated? Probably a few minutes ago as well. Yes. So the script Python script created this as well. So this completely is very weird. Actually, let me run this. This, what it does is, first I've modified the script so that it doesn't have to ask ChatGPT every time to generate a script, because it's going to save the script once it gets it from ChatGPT, and then it's going to reopen from the file when I run this script again. So here again, so we've got this function that doesn't work. It's not even a defined function. Probably just removed it altogether. And what I wanted to check is, so we've got this generation of image, and this one I have to check what is the OpenAI version that is used for it. Here, for generation of the script, we can see it's 3.5 turbo, which I think is going to be deprecated in some time. But here for the images, well, there's nothing. It's basically just OpenAI. Now, I'm a bit wondering what is the request that was sent and the prompt. So what is the prompt? Where is it going to generate images? Is the sentence. So every sentence basically is going to give rise to its specific. So here we've got a new image, but in every sentence is going to be an image. The script now is not changing anymore, because I just read again from this file. And so this is what it is. So it's just talking about the Japanese version of NISA, where you can buy ETFs and stuff on your account, and you have tax benefits. That's that's the deal. Okay, so yeah, kind of looks like it, but the quality is very bad, extremely bad. So I'm not really sure why we've got this. Normally, if I would be asking, say, right, so let's say it's 4.0, but just say I'm going to do the same thing. So generate an image. It's not the same thing because of this. Actually, this is an API. It's not indeed not the user interface. So I don't know. I could try maybe to look again at the script and right. So generate an image that matches this description. So I'm not sure exactly what it's going to do. I'm assuming that it's going to produce something that makes sense, not what I had from the API. That is absolutely unusable, to be honest. That's absolutely, well, no, I mean, unusable, I don't know, but the quality is very bad, and that's not the latest ChatGPT that we see here. So it's a bit disappointing. And anyway, so where I'm at is a very challenging situation where I can't get a video because just I mean the whole so I can generate images, but I can't assemble all these images. And ideally, I'd like to have a video, or even like say one video per sentence. I'm not sure if it makes sense actually. But this Ken Burns effect is not a big deal. It's just like zooming in or something like that for on each image. So it's not even a real video, right? It's not an animation. So the whole thing is a bit disappointing, and currently I can't even have the video unless I'm not even sure because this function, so that the function was here basically, but it doesn't even work because of well, I tried to do some zoom, and the zoom didn't work. So now I should basically rewrite the code so that it indeed assembles the video. So I should do something that well, it doesn't do the Ken-Burns effect. That's one thing. We don't need that probably. We just use a series of images without any transition effect between the images. So we would have the images and we just convert into yeah, just add up to these clips. Then it would concatenate the images. So the thing is, I don't know what is the format of this. It looks like it's an image clip, and then it's all like this image clip. But I guess here it should do the job like this. So here, so usually I wouldn't try to do things by myself, but here I would do an exception. And wait, oh, okay, yeah. Right. So basically, that's what I can try. Just just trying things on my own, seeing if I get something. And I don't need this. I basically just concatenate the images. That's all I'm doing. I'm not sure it's going to work because it's an image clip, and I'm not sure if the image clip is the right format for it. There was an image clip. Probably it kind of yeah converts it into a video here. which I'm not doing. Or maybe I could do it. Maybe I should do it. Have there's a subtitle. That's one thing. So basically trying to do things. And what is it doing? So every time I run a script, I feel like it's going to generate something again. So not the voice, because I commented this synthesize voice to not have to generate the voice every time. So it's not running this. And the file exists, so it's fine. And this create video, so again, it's going to create images. If I see more than one image, okay, yeah, we've got more than one image. You can see that the script is the same, but the image for some reason is absolutely different. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, a bird, okay. What is it, seriously? Okay, not really, you can't put that on a YouTube video. All right, so I have to figure out something about this. So, did it fail? Create a video and video.set audio. So, where are we here? There's no attribute, set video. So once you get there, it's like, again, I have to iterate with Copilot, and so there's no function set video. That's very disappointing, because that's the code that I got from ChatGPT initially. So again, so let's just use this, and I say this code generates an error. So I have to tell it what happens basically. Okay, so this is very manual stuff where we need to iterate and pass to Copilot what is happening in your code environment. And of course, this is not efficient. I'm surprised that Copilot cannot read this error by itself and propose something by itself. All right, so the video clip occurs because the image clip does not have etc. Okay, so it's going to do the right thing. I generate the image, I come back to image clip, and then what does it tell me is that it's going to use the composite audio clip, something like that. Okay, let's try this. So it's rewriting. My right is rewriting the whole def create video. So let's do that. So it's going to create the images again, which is not very smart. It's kind of time consuming, and I have to wait for the images to be generated again. So it's going to do that. All right, so again, we've got completely different videos. So there's something missing in the image creation where we should give more information, maybe on the context. Maybe we need to not only give the first sentence, but a bit of a hint on the whole thing, or add a bit of a summary on the other sentences. Have a global description of what I'm doing. And this one, that's really funny. How does it come up with this? But anyway, yeah, the images are created again. So I made a mistake because I don't want to create this again. Once I have them, I should reuse them every time I run the script. Otherwise, I'm going to lose my time. And I'll do that next time. Okay, so again, you can see that it fails. Please load the image from file if the file already exists. So I'm going to reuse generate image. So in this function. In function, create video, please load the image from file if the file already exists. It's probably going to change that part here and not call the generate image. Yeah, that's what it did. Okay, perfect. So this one. All right, perfect. proposing something, but I'm not going to accept. And there's okay. Got some. Oh, now it's working. I was going to use the existing ones, and all right. No. Create video sentences. No, something is wrong. So we've got the images, right? Yes, and it's complaining that these concatenate video clips, which, yeah, that's not my function anyway. So now we've got some weird. Is it adding to the clips? Because it used to add to clips because I forgot that. Okay, dangerous thing. Yes, I forgot to add the clip, so we had nothing in the list. Okay, so we've got the same error again, and I want to solve this. So same thing, generates an error. Good to give it the error and hope that things get better. But I'm hoping very likely. I don't have much expectation on this point. Oh, this is much better. So the manual, like the interface, ChatGPT image generation is great. I mean, the text is that's Japanese, and I mean we can read. It's weird. It's very weird characters, really weird characters, but we understand what they are. So yeah, that's fine. I guess fine. It's proper Japanese text. All right. So this is what I want, but that's not what I get from the API. Definitely not. Okay, but anyway. What is it doing? What it did is, oh, okay, stopped using this the set audio. So let's hope that now this works. Okay, let's run again. Ooh, it's doing something. Is it generating a video? How many frames? 480, right? And I've got, oh, fantastic. So that's my first video generation. Wow. Very excited.
NISA 制度は国民投資
So
成績 NISA の略で、個人が投資信託や株式などの金融商品を取引する際に特定口座に積み立てることで税制優遇を受けられる制度です。 NISA 口座に積み立てたお金は5年間の運用期間中は非課税となります。つまり利益が出た場合も税金がかからず、
alright, for some reason it's
その分を
going
利益
very
に回す
quickly
ことが
in
で
the
きる
first
んです。
images, and then
また
the last image is
NISA 口座を
remaining
1
on the
人1
video.
口座まで
So
開
it
設が
doesn't
可
look
能
like
で、
there's a
年
good
間の不
synchronization
限度
between
額もありますが、
between script and the images. Alright, so that's very challenging actually. If I want to do something,
ことで資産形
anything from out of this is going to be very challenging. But okay, we've got something. I mean, the work that I did is not, it's not so great. It's I didn't have to find things for myself, like what kind of library do I need to create videos and stuff. Still okay. I think that first, even the original data in a way, like from the topic, is how do I get a script? So I guess that is fine. The next step, the images, is a problem, so I need to solve this image problem. But also, originally, the idea of the image is that well, first I was proposed to use one single image, but then I thought, okay, let's do something more dynamic. So I wanted something not one single image, and ChatGPT decided to tell me, okay, you can split in different images and use a transition. the transition doesn't work, but the fact is that um, I may want to just do the whole thing all over again and not generate images, but generate videos, generate a video from the script. So and I will be looking for an alternative for generating a video directly. And if I can do that, that would be great. Because here I depend on the ChatGPT image generation, which does not look good. And I have a transition effect issue. And also the synchronization of the duration of the script with regard to how the images are created. And here I'm not really sure. So the duration was there, but so who's giving that? It's 4 seconds. All right. I don't know. I guess it's 4 seconds. Was it 4 seconds per images? But the whole thing is 1 minute. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not even. It's a bit less than that. The round, yeah, pretty much 4 seconds. All right. So that's all I can do for the moment. I will. I mean, it's worth doing things all over again. It's worth really trying with other, not ChatGPT, but other AI to get a similar code. It's worth asking something out different. So asking to generate a real video, not images. I think the whole thing could be completely overhauled, and so that I mean, I didn't spend so much time on this already, and I got this, but we can experiment and try different things. So I think that's it for the moment, and I will continue trying to find different solutions for doing the same thing, and also maybe experimenting a bit with the prompts, trying to get more precise prompts, and hopefully get a better result. All right, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will be back on my channel for other videos as well. Take care.